Did you know that social media has become a crucial aspect of marketing for small businesses? If you want to attract new customers and grow your business in your local community, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Local Marketer, the channel dedicated to helping small businesses grow in their local communities. I'm Angela Bell, your trusted guide to all things modern marketing, and in this video, we're going to talk about social media marketing trends for small businesses. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the latest social media trends that can help your business attract new customers and grow. You'll also learn valuable strategies that you can implement right away to improve your social media presence, even if you have little time and money to spend on marketing. One of the most significant challenges for small businesses is not having much experience with online advertising. But with social media, you don't need to be an expert to get started. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram make it easy to create ads and target them to specific audiences in your local community. This can help get your business in front of potential customers who are interested in what you have to offer. Another challenge for a small business is having little time and money to spend on marketing. That's where video marketing comes in. By creating short videos showcasing your products or services, you can effectively promote your business without breaking the bank. Not to mention, videos are one of the most engaging forms of content on social media. Let's take a look at an example of how video marketing can work for a small business. We Thrive as a wellness center that offers a range of services, including massage therapy, acupuncture, and nutrition counseling. They use videos on social media to introduce their different practitioners and services they offer their clients. The personal connection that these social media videos provide builds a connection with their potential clients, which ultimately leads to more bookings and revenue for the business. In addition to video marketing, using engaging photos on social media can help build a connection with your audience. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are highly visual, and users are more likely to engage with posts that feature eye-catching images. When using photos on social media, it's important to keep your target audience in mind. Make sure the images you choose align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Use high-quality photos and consider adding filters or editing them to make them more visually appealing. The use of relevant hashtags will also help your business get discovered by new customers in your local community. For example, if you're a local bakery, you may want to share photos of delicious treats or behind-the-scenes shots of your bakers in action. By using engaging photos on social media, you can build a connection with your audience and showcase your products or services in appealing ways. It's an effective and low-cost way to market your business to potential customers in your local community. Let's check out this local coffee shop. They use Instagram to share photos of their beautiful latte art, cozy seating area, and friendly staff. By showcasing these visually appealing images, they're able to build a connection with their audience and attract new customers to their shop. To truly stand out on social media and connect with your audience, it's important to experiment and get out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks with your social media content. Here are some specific tips now to help you create social media posts that your audience will relate to and appreciate. Show your personality. Your audience wants to connect with you as a person, not just your business. Don't be afraid to show your personality and inject some humor or personal anecdotes in your post. Share user-generated content. Encourage your followers to share their experiences with your business and feature their posts on your own social media accounts. This not only creates a sense of community, but also serves as social proof for potential customers. Highlight your employees. Your employees are a vital part of your business, and featuring them on social media can help build a connection with your audience. Share photos of your team at work or highlight individual employees and their contributions to your business. Use storytelling. Stories are a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and evoking emotions. Use storytelling to share the history of your business, highlight customer success stories, or showcase your community involvement. Post behind-the-scenes content. Giving your audience a glimpse into your business behind the scenes can help humanize your brand and build a connection with them. Share photos or videos of your team at work. your creative process, or the making of your products. By experimenting with these tips and getting out of your comfort zone, you can create social media posts that your audience will relate to and appreciate. When it comes to social media marketing for small businesses, chatbots are also becoming an increasingly popular tool. But are they a good idea for a small local business? Let's take a closer look at that. Chatbots are AI-powered tools that can interact with your customers on your website or social media accounts. They can answer common questions, provide customer service, and even help with sales. For small businesses with limited resources, chatbots can be a great way to automate customer interactions and save time. However, chatbots aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. They work best for businesses that have a large volume of customer inquiries or frequently asked questions. If your business doesn't receive many inquiries, or if your customers prefer speaking with a human, then a chatbot may not necessarily be the best fit. While there are some affordable and easy-to-use chatbot platforms available, more advanced chatbots can be expensive and require technical expertise to set up and maintain. So if you're considering implementing a chatbot for your business, make sure to weigh the costs and the benefits and consider your unique needs and goals. To illustrate this point, let's take a look at an example of a local restaurant. So they implemented a chatbot on their website to take reservations and answer common questions about their menu and hours. This saved them time and helped streamline their customer service, but they still made sure to have a human staff member available to handle more complex inquiries. Remember, social media marketing doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. And by staying up to date on the latest trends and leveraging video marketing and photos, you can effectively market your business to your local community without breaking the bank. Small steps lead to big wins. Keep taking those steps and keep growing your local business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Local Marketer for more tips and tricks on how to grow your small business.